It is the second to last day of winter. Let that sink in, and then also think about how beautiful it was today.
Yeah, and let the sun sink in
Yes.
too, right? It is just beautiful out here. You would think it was already spring, but you're right, Stacy. We start spring officially on Thursday, March 20th. And of course, today is the 18th, so we're not too far away, and we're not going to have too bad of the last 2 days of winter. Tomorrow is going to be even better than it was today. Temperatures today surging up to the 60s. Tomorrow we will hit the 70s in some spots, and it will be breezy from time to time, but at least we hold on to the sunshine for a large part of the day. Let's take a live look right now at Lake Wallenpaupack, where the beautiful blue skies are abound, glistening off of the lake. Same color there, beautiful reflections in that golden glowing orb in the sky. Gorgeous view, and look at those blue skies down in Schuylkill County. Pottsville, good afternoon, good evening to you. 58 is the current temperature. That's the warmest temp we've seen so far all day. We have those winds bringing up warmer air from the west-southwest at 8 miles per hour. And humidity's really low, so that nice crisp feel too. No humidity, not feeling muggy. Feeling just beautiful out here. And sunset tonight, 7:13, getting later and later. We did start off this day pretty chilly, down in the teens for some in the southern tier in New York State. 19 in Elmira, started off at 26 in Williamsport, 25 for Scranton, so well below the freezing mark, but we've rebounded nicely up to near 60 degrees in some spots, over 60 degrees. Right now, hot spot on the map, 64 in Lock Haven. Wysock's given a run for its money of the warmest spot on the map, 63 right now. We have a pair of 62s there, actually a trio of 62s for Lewisburg, Danville, and Stillwater. Also 62 down in Tower City and Auburn. And those of you in Lake Harmony, 57 degrees, same for Storuca. Got temperatures that are well warmer than they were 24 hours ago. 15, 20, 25, near 30 degrees warmer there for parts of the northern tier and out through central Pennsylvania. 30 degrees warmer for Elmira than we were at 5:15 yesterday. So we've got that warming trend on tap, and we'll keep it going through your day tomorrow as well. Got beautiful blue skies, not a cloud to be found across the entire Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, even out in New Jersey and up into New York State. No clouds whatsoever, being kept out by this high pressure, acting like a shield for any moisture that's in the area. So we're going to remain under this dome of high pressure through much of your day tomorrow before it starts to slide on out. And this low pressure that's out in the Intermountain West slides on in and brings in some of that moisture that's currently associated with it out near Nebraska and Colorado. So here's future clouds and radar over the next 48 hours. I would say we're going to remain primarily clear. Here's the overnight into tomorrow morning. Clear skies. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly clear. Some additional cloud cover into the late part of the afternoon and into the evening. And then once we get to the overnight, those clouds really do fill in through Thursday. There are those showers that are currently out in the Intermountain West. They'll make their way towards us here in Pennsylvania, especially in central Pennsylvania by around lunchtime. But eastern Pennsylvania doesn't see the rain showers until the latter portion of the afternoon, and some of those could be downpours. Notice those flashes of yellow and orange indicating downpours throughout the evening hours, so your evening commute could be interrupted or delayed by these showers that'll continue until around 9:30, 10 o'clock. Until they roll on out. But look at that little flash of white at the very end. Now, winds are going to shift from the southwest to from the northwest, and that's going to bring in much cooler air, and that might switch over some of that lingering moisture to some flurries for parts of the northern tier. So there's your forecast rain totals, less than a half inch for pretty much everyone, except in those spots that get downpours. Maybe you'll see an isolated 3/4 of an inch of rain. Risk for snowfall, that would happen right after the midnight hours into Friday. Could be some flurries and snow showers that might cause some problems for travel, reduce visibility until around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And models are spitting out about a coating for parts of Wayne County, Pike County, and down through Lackawanna County too. Here's your dog walking forecast. This is Sapphire. Linda, thank you for sending in your cute pup. Fine night to walk the dog, not an issue at all as far as temperatures. You probably won't even need the jacket throughout the rest of the evening. Winds, they're going to be coming out of the south. Notice that really strong flow throughout your day tomorrow, bringing in the warmer temperatures. And then Thursday, the rain showers come in, winds shift to coming out of the northwest and bring in much colder air, and they'll still be gusty, 30, even 40 miles per hour throughout your day on Wednesday, Thursday, and on Friday. We chill down on Friday to the 40s, but tomorrow I am very much looking forward to 70 degrees. If we do touch 70, Stacy, it would be the first time we've seen it so far all 2025.
And on the last day of winter, no less.
Yeah, Mother Nature playing some tricks, it seems.
I love it. Thanks so much.
Yep.